showed up on time, did a fabulous job, and they were here by 9 and finished everything up by about 7 o'clock.
What convinced us about the windows is the quality of the product that good people have. It was very impressive. The very knowledgeable, the person who was making the presentation, and actually we were very impressed because we haven't seen anything like that, and this construction of the window was very convincing for us to decide on that. The labor, the people seem to be doing very well because everyone knows what to do. They were very clean.
Oh, from the start to finish, they communicated very well. They let me know everything about the financing or cash paying or whatever, about when the fellows would arrive and what their jobs were. They were just great, always communicating. Love it. Yeah. At first, I feel that this is the first house that if we have a storm, we can get out, because when you have those shutters up, there's no way that you can get out. And on this house, we could only get out our garage door, which I was very nervous about.
I think that on the overall, we are very happy.
Yes, we're very happy.
Very happy, the punctuality, because in spite of that, we have a storm in between, everything came out perfect.
And we think that the price was fair, very fair.
Considering the quality.
Yes, and we were told that these were the best windows on the market, so we were very happy with that.